Welcome to online classroom of Heritage Public School. Hello students. Today as we have learnt vowel sound A. So we will write A sound words. Okay. The first word is M-A-N, man. B-A-L-L, ball. R-A-T, rat. S-A-D, sad. C-A-T, cat. B-A-G, bag. W-A-G, wag. Now we will try to write these words here. Try to write as I write in the video. Okay? So first, watch me writing the word and try to write in the same pattern. We'll start from third line. First we will write M, slanting line, then comes down, like this. M-A-N, man. Next is ball. B A double L, ball. Next is R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-D, sad. C-A-T, cat. B-A-G, bag. And the last word, wag. W. Wag. So, today we have learnt how to write A sound words. M-A-N, man. B-A-L-L, ball. R-A-T, rat. S-A-D, sad. C-A-T, cat. B-A-G, bag. W-A-G, wag. Try to write these words in the copy. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.